for all of you judges here, we'll come kiss you later. We really, truly love you, but tonight's about Deborah. Let me introduce our best, Deborah Lehrman.
As you all know, this is the only statewide race on the ballot. This is it. And so a lot of this is going to depend on our, moving people to the polls and making it happen. So as much as you all can do to do that, we would really appreciate it. A lot of times when we go around the state, my opponent, he likes to talk about how some members of our current court did not have judicial experience. And while that's true, what is not pointed out is that those members of the court that he's referring to were excellent courtroom and appellate lawyers. And in fact, our Chief Justice Wallace Jefferson was one of the best, as you all know, appellate attorneys in the state and tried cases before the United States Supreme Court. So we don't have anyone on the court who does not have either judicial experience or a lot of courtroom experience or appellate experience. It's really, really important. As we go throughout the state, people are very, very interested in knowing that. You certainly have my pledge that throughout the years, I will do my very best to always bring dignity to that court and to make sure that the trust you've placed in me is warranted. Thank you so very, very much for being here. You know my name.